Hello students, today I am going to start chapter 3rd, decimals. The numbers expressed in decimal forms are called the decimals. If any number we are representing in decimal form, those numbers are called decimals. There are two types of decimal, like decimal, unlike decimal. Decimals having the same number of decimal places. That means any number have same decimal places, like here 6.731. After point there are three numbers. This is 8.051. After point there also have three digits. These all are called like decimals because in all number after point there are same number of digit, like 3, 3, 3. Okay, so that are like decimals. Next is unlike decimals. Decimals having different number of decimal places. That means if after the point there are different number of digits, like 5.3, after point there is only one digit. 6.42, after point there are two digits. 2.361, after point there are three digits. That means these all are have the different decimal places, so those are the unlike decimals. One important more thing is we can put any number of 0 to the extreme right of the decimal places. That means after decimal places we can put any number of 0 that we want, like 3.8. We can also write 3.8 to 3.80. After 3.80 we can also write 3.800. That means those all numbers are equal, those value are same, there is no changes. Whatever we can write 3.8 also, and 3.80, 3.8000. Okay, those values are same, means 3.8. Now some questions. Okay, convert decimal to simple. There are some decimal numbers and we have to convert into simple form, like 0.8. This is 0.8. After removing point we will put 1. Okay, what we are putting? 1 after removing point. After then see how many numbers after point, there is only 8, that means one number, so put 0 equal to number, so this will become 10. 8 point upon 10. After then change into lowest form, 4 to 2 2s are 2 5s, so this will become 2 upon 5. This is called simple form, decimal to simple. Next is 0.24. Write down 0.24. After then if we removing this point, put here in denominator 1. Okay, after removing this point 1. Now see how many numbers after the point, 2 and 4. That means there are two numbers. Now put the 20 in the denominator, so this will become 100. That means number is 24 upon 100. After then change it into smallest form. After dividing 4, this will become 6 upon 25. Next is decimal to mixed fraction. Like this is 5.6, we have to convert it into mixed fraction. So write down 5.6. After removing point, put 1. Okay, in the place of this point I am putting 1. After then see how many digits after the point, 6 only. That means there is only one digit, so put only 1 0. So this has become 56 divided by 10. After then convert it into normal form, lowest form, so this will become 28 upon 5. After then divide it, this will become 5 whole 3 by 5. Next is 6.004. So write down 6.004. Remove this point, put 1. After then 1 2 3, there are three numbers, so put 3 0. So this has become 6004 divided by 1000. Change it into normal form, proper fraction, so this will become 1501 divided by 250. After dividing 5. Okay, after dividing 2. Now divide 1501 with 250. So this will become 6 sold 1 upon 250. This is the mixed fraction. Okay. Now next is proper fraction or improper fraction to the decimal form. Okay. Here we are converting decimal to mixed. Now we will convert proper improper to decimal form, like 47 upon 10. 47 upon 10 means we have to divide 47 with 10. So after dividing, this will become 4.7, because there is if there are 100, 10, 1000, so we will see how many zeros in the denominator. Like there is only one zero, so put the point after one digit, because there is only one zero. Count from here, ones, tens, so put the zero from after one digit. Okay, like next is 2516 divided by 100. How many zeros are there? 2. So count from here. Okay, 1, 2. So we will put this point after 2 digit, because there are 2 0. So this will become 25.16. If there are 100, 10,000, so we will follow this method. Okay. Next is 25 upon 8. There is no 10, no 100, so we have to divide it firstly. After dividing 25 with 8, it will become 3.125. Okay. 8 3 ja, this is 10, 8 1 ja, 8 2 ja. So this has become 3.125. That means proper to decimal form. Next is 3 whole 2 by 5. Firstly, mixed to change into proper improper. So 5 3 is 15. This will become 17 upon 5. After then divide 17 with 5. This will become 3.4. So this is called decimal form of those numbers. Okay. Next is convert into like decimal. Like decimal means, I have already explained, if there are number of decimal places have the same value. First is 6.5, 16.03, 0.27, 119.4. We are seeing that everywhere there are different number of decimals, like there is only one digit after point, there are two digit after point, there are three digit, there are also only one digit after point. So we have to say highest place values. Okay, highest decimal places value. So this is highest places value. That means there are three numbers that are highest in all of them. Okay, so we have to convert all number with 3 decimal places. That means we have to put 0 to make 3 decimal places. Like 6.5, there are only 5, so we have to put 2 0, so that it can make 3 place value. Okay, 3 digit place value, like 6.500. So there are 3 digits after point. In 16.03 there are 2 digit after point, but we have to make it 3 digit in 3 digits. Okay, so we will put 1 0. So this is 16.030. This is already 0.274. Here also there is only one digit. That means we have to put 2 more 0 to make 3 place value, 3 digit place decimals value. Okay, after that we are saying everywhere have the same digit after point. There are 3, there are 3, 3, 3, 3. So these all numbers are called like decimal if there are same number of decimal place value. Okay, next is comparing of decimal numbers. We have to compare the decimals number, like 78.23 and 69.85. Those numbers we are already seeing that 78 is greater than 69. So 78.23 is greater than 69.85. Next is 3.406 and this is 3.460. To compare those numbers, we have to first convert it into like fraction. Like fraction means same number of decimal places. So we will put 1 0 so that this can convert into like fraction. Now This is 3.406 and this is 3.460. I have added 0 here. Okay, I have added 0 here. Now compare. We already know 406 is lower than to 460. So we can say 3.460 is greater than 3.406. Next is 14.05 and 14.005. Those are also not like numbers, like decimals. So we have to convert it like. There are 3 digits after point, so we have to put also 0 here to make like fraction. So this will become 14.050. I have put 0 here and this is already 14.005. Now 14 is equal to 14. Compare after the points digit. This is 050 and this is 005. So we know 050 is greater than 005. So we can say 14.050 is greater than 14.00. Next is 0.98 and 1.07. Already showing here that 1 is greater than 0 before the digits before the point. Okay, this is 0, this is 1. 1 is greater than 0, so 1.07 is greater than to 0.98. Next is change into decimal while changing units of number. That means we have to convert into decimal and we have to also convert units. That's why we have to convert units that are already here. Okay, like 8 paise. So we have to convert it into decimal. So to convert in decimal, we have to convert its an unit. Its unit is paise and we have to convert it firstly into rupees. And we know 1 rupees have 100 paise. So to convert paise to rupees, we have to divide it with 100. So this is 8 upon 100. After dividing it will become 0.08. So this is the change into decimal with change of unit. This is paisa and this is rupees. Next is 28 rupees 32 paisa. This is already in rupees. Now we will convert 32 paisa into rupees. So 32 divided by 100, this will become into rupa. So paisa to rupa. Okay. Then rupees 28 is 28 plus is plus rupees. After dividing, this will become 0.32. So this is also rupees, this is also rupees. After then we will add the same units. Okay, so this will become 28.32 rupees. Now 28 rupees 32 paise has become rupees 28.32. Next is 3 kilometer and 5 meter. So 3 kilometer is already 3 kilometer and we will convert 5 meter into kilometer. So we already know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So after meter we will convert it into kilometers. So we have to divide it with 1000. Okay, 3 kilometer 5 upon 1000 kilometer. This has changed into meter to kilometer. This is 3 kilometer. After dividing, this will become 0.005 kilometer. Now units are same, we will add. After adding, this will become 3.005.